Hello! Today I have this whole case of limited edition holiday Meemeows to unbox with you. These were very kindly gifted to me by the people at Banter Toys. Thank you so much, Banter, for sending these to me, and let's get straight into it. So this holiday Meemeow set, it's quite different to other Meemeow sets in that there are actually only 4 designs. Here are the 4 cat designs. It looks like Mrs. Claus, gingerbread, snowman, and a reindeer. I love the box too. It's got lots of cute snowflakes on it. When we open it up, we have our usual sealed bag, which has a Meemeow in it. And then we have our guide. Oh, I got 2 guides in this one. Bonus guide. On each of the guides, it shows us, okay, all the cats are common. Now, as you've probably realized, 5 of these are going to be doubles. And you know what I'm going to do with my doubles? I'm going to add them to my Meemeow Makeover series. I'm going to do a Christmas Meemeows video. It'll probably be within a few days of Christmas. Look out for that one. But first, let's unbox them. Okay, so who is the first Meemeow going to be? It is someone brown. Oh no, it's not Brandel. It's Mrs. Claus. Oh. Okay, I'm currently editing this video and I've just realized that's not Mrs. Claus. That's just Santa. I don't know why my mind immediately went to Mrs. Claus, especially seeing as he has a beard that I just didn't notice. I mean, maybe Mrs. Claus does have a beard. I shouldn't assume such things. And go me for assuming it was Mrs. Claus. Santa gets way too much attention. So Mrs. Claus, she's a white Meemeow. She's got cute little embroidered glasses and rosy cheeks. And she's also got a little Santa hat on with some holly. Her ears have red embroidery in them, which matches the red embroidery on her back paws. And then she obviously has this little Santa top, a very, very cute design, and I'm seeing a lot of makeover potential for her too. Meemeow number 2. My question of the day is, are they all gonna have 2 guides in them, or did I just get a special box? This one has 1 cat and only 1 guide. That's so funny that the first one had 2. Anyway, let's see who cat number 2 is. This one's looking... Is this... Oh, I thought it was another Mrs. Claus for a second because it was white, but it's a snowman design. Oh my goodness. Oh my golly gosh. So this Meemeow is a snowman. It's white like Mrs. Claus, however, it's fluffy. If you have a little comparison, you can see this one, it's a smooth fabric, and this one is more textured because it's fluffy. Snowman cat also has an adorable face. I love the little eyes. We've got lots of different shades of brown in there. Again, the adorable rosy cheeks. That is such a cute little smile. And his little snowman carrot nose. So cute. This snowman is wearing a cute little top hat and it's got holly on it. Inside of his ears is orange to match his snowman nose. Oh, and his little rosy cheeks also are kind of orange. That's some very nice color coordination. You would have also seen his very cute scarf. And then we've got the cute little paws on the back. This is Meemeow number 3. Is it going to be a new one or a double? Once again, only 1 guide. That was a rare occurrence in the first box. Is it someone new? Is it someone that we already have? It's the reindeer! Oh, I think this is my favorite. Oh my goodness, it just gets cuter the more I look at it. I think this is one of my favorite Meemeows ever. Look how adorable she is. Isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen? Her eyes, absolutely adorable. A little red nose. So I guess this makes it Rudolph? I suppose more reindeers than Rudolph can have red noses. It might be one of his grandchildren. She also has the rosy cheeks. I am loving these rosy cheeks on these designs. Another very cute little smile, and I love these reindeer markings. They look so good. Once again, has the holly. That seems to be a staple part of this series. And of course, the reindeer antlers, so adorable. Then if we look on her back, she has this little reindeer harness. It's got cute little embroidered snowflakes and little embroidered cat faces. Also got this nice fluff around the edge, and then the strap goes all the way around. And down here, it has a little gold bit. Then she's got little red paw prints on her paws. Very, very cute. So we already have 3 out of 4 with 6 to open. Can we go 4 for 4 and get the gingerbread as our last one? Is it a gingerbread or is it our first double? I think it's our first double. It's another reindeer. Let me tell you, I'm very excited about that because that is adorable. They're going to guide the sleigh together. Also, just between you and me, it might be kind of cute to do some little fusions. So like I might take these antlers and take this hat, give them a swap. So I have like a snowman that's dressing up as a reindeer and a reindeer that's dressing up as a snowman. It'd be so cute if I could give a reindeer this little Santa hat too. Oh, I've still got 5 to go. What Meemeow is in box number 5? It is... I somehow tore the seal off, but it didn't unseal the bag. Now we can see what it is. I couldn't tell if it was a snowman or Mrs. Claus. It's Mrs. Claus. We've got our bonus Santa hat I was just talking about. I'm quite excited at all the doubles this set has. Okay, who's it gonna be? Is it gonna give me what I need for the makeovers, or is it gonna complete the set? Is this gingerbread? It is gingerbread. It's such a similar color to the reindeer. I for a second thought it was the reindeer. Oh my goodness, this one has so many cute features. This bow would also be perfect to steal and give to everyone else for makeovers. Oh, we don't have holly. She's the only Meemeow in the set that doesn't have little holly, but she does have this bow, so that's adorable. I am loving all the little gingerbread details. It's like this cat is actually a gingerbread, and they've literally gone through with a piping bag and iced the whole thing. Like, look at this. She's also got little green hearts as buttons down here. Then we've got red and green little dots around the edge, also around the edge of her tail. She even has, oh my goodness, this is so cute. She even has little piping marks on her feet. And her face also looks like a beautiful cookie that has been piped with icing. We've got these little icing dots on the ears, cute little eyelashes, cute little cheeks, and a cute little smile. Her color is perfect too. She really looks just like freshly baked. So adorable. And that is the 4th one in the set. So we have a full set. I'm going to keep those ones for my collection, but the rest of them I open now. These 3, they're all going to go into the makeover box. I am so excited to do some Christmas makeovers. Let's see what we're going to have to work with. I'm really hoping for another snowman because I really want to steal his hat and his scarf and give it to someone else. It would also be really nice to get another one of those little bows that are on the gingerbread. So what have we got? Our next makeover victim. Oh, it's the gingerbread cat. One after the other. Another freshly baked cat. Oh, the other detail that I didn't point out on the first one is she's actually wearing like a little gingerbread dress. So you could, in theory, take that dress off her without, you know, destroying a whole cat. If you haven't watched my most recent Meemeows video, I wanted to take the hoodie off one of the cats to give it to the other cats, but the hoodie was sewn into the cat. So I had to destroy the entire cat to get the hoodie off. And then I had to put it back together. So that was a whole thing. But it wouldn't be a thing with this gingerbread because you could just take this little shirt off. That gives me another idea for a makeover, and I have the double to do it. Second last one. Can I get another snowman? Please, please, please be a snowman. Who is it? Who is it? I can't look. Oh yes, we did get the snowman. So we got 2 of each. That makes sense, but you never know how these mystery boxes are gonna work. Then the final box. It would be lovely. It would be so lovely to get a final reindeer, a second pair of antlers to work with. Moment of truth. It is... I did it again where I tore off the thing at the top, but I didn't actually break a hole in the bag. Okay, now is the moment of truth. Who are we going to get a 3rd one of? It is... Is it a reindeer? I really thought that was a reindeer antler for a second there, but that's okay because we get a bonus Santa hat. Santa hat would look really good on a snowman. Santa hat would look really good on a gingerbread. Santa hat would look really good on a reindeer. Well, that is all the holiday Meemeows. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you so much to Banter Toys for sending these through to me. If you would like to pick up some of these holiday Meemeows or any other Meemeows for yourself or as a present for Christmas, you can find the Aphmau range stocked across Kmart, Target, Big W, Toyworld, EB Games, and many more independent retailers. I hope you're enjoying the holiday season, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!